Assalamu alaikum. How are students too? How are you, student? I hope all are well. I am also well. Do you know what topics I discuss you? Look at the picture. Look. You look 3 persons here. Do you know them? Most no, because they are famous. India and other countries. Lalan Shah. This is Lalan Shah. He is very famous for his folk song. Hasan Raza. He is also famous for his folk song. And Abdul Karim Shah. He is also famous in our country and other country. Now we discuss about them. First of all, we find out the keyword. I also tell you, read the topics silently. Sorry. Firstly, I read the topics fluently, then I discuss about it. I hope all of you have your book. The above picture are of the 3 well-known persons, majestic birds of Bangladesh. They are famous in Bangladesh and in other countries too. They are Lalan Shah, Hasan Raza and Shah Abdul Karim. A bird is on who poem and songs, and a mystic is on who tries to search the truth and become united with God through prayer and meditation. All 3 birds wrote poems and songs to express their deep thought and feelings about God, life, and love for man. Now I discuss about Hasan Raza. Hasan Raza was born in 1854 In a wealthy landlord's family in Sylhet, he did not receive much formal education. In his youth, he led a life of luxury. He had everything: money, comfort, and pleasure. At one time, he understood that all these are meaningless. He gave away all his properties. He started to think deeply about the Creator, about life, death, and mankind. Hasan Raza wrote a lot of songs, perhaps about 8,000 in number. His book called Hasan Udas was published in 1906. The book had 206 songs in it. In his song, Hasan called himself Krazi Hasan Raza, or the Pagla. Also published. Book contained 500 poems and songs. Some of the songs were written by the poet in Hindi. Hasan Raza's songs were always popular in Sylhet. But very soon they spread all over Bangladesh and beyond in India. In India's West Bengal, some eminent folk singers made Hasan Raza's song popular. When you grow older, you will learn more about his great mystic poet through reading and listening to his songs. Now I give you some keyword. Above, over, and other word. Well known, famous, mystic, spiritual. The next word, birds. Rural poet. And the next, famous, popular. Next 5. Meditation. Meditation contemplation, ধ্যান। Express, reveal, luxury, comfort, search, seek, wealthy, affluent, some keyword above offer well known, famous, mystic, spiritual, bird, rural poet, famous, popular, meditation, contemplation, express, reveal, luxury, comfort, Next, I discuss about the topics. Here we discuss about 3 famous persons in Bangladesh. They are Hasan Raja, Lalan Shah and Shah Abdul Karim. The persons are famous for their own we know Hasan Raja for his folk song, Lalan Shah also famous for his folk song, and Shah Abdul Karim is also famous for their folk song. It is very popular in Bangladesh and West Bengal, in Bharat, India. Now I discuss about Hasan Raja. Hasan Raja was born in 1854 in Sylhet. He was a son of a landlord. And he has wealth. He lives a very luxury life. He did not receive formal education. He led a very comfortable life. At one time he understood that all wealth and money are meaningless. He deeply thought about God and he gave away all his wealth and became a crazy man. So people called him Crazy Hasan Raja. Then he wrote a lot of songs about God and mankind. He tried to link with the God. He led a life of fakir. So he gave all his and money to the people. He wrote a lot of songs. His book called Hasan Udas, it published 1906. It had 206 songs. It's called Hasan Samagro. It contains 500 poems and songs. Hasan Raja always popular in Sylhet, not only Sylhet but also Bangladesh and West Bengal. Some his popular songs are published in Hindi and other languages. Some eminent singer in West Bengal sang his song well. So it is very popular in West Bengal, Bangladesh and other countries. Now I discuss some short question about his When was Hasan Raja born? It is a very easy and simple question. Answer. Hasan Raja was born in 1850. The next question. He was born. Where he was born? Born in Sylhet. I hope in this way you will solve all the short questions and answers. It is not so tough, it is very easy. If you try yourself to find out the answer, all the questions, I hope all of you will easily solve this question. My next class, I discuss about wonder of the world 1, lesson 22. Lesson 22. Wonders of the world. Wonders of the world 1. Wonders of the world. Next topics. Student, thank you very much to join my live class. I hope if you try yourself at home, you must progress in your study. Stay home and be careful your health. Thank you very much.